Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saturday, March 24th. It's around 5 to 7 here now, and it is the last day with the car. As you can see, the wrap is off, and we are about 10 to 15 minutes away from leaving to drop the car and the truck off at a dealership that I am trading it to for the new car. Here it is, the Z, no longer the Zebra for the last time. She's looking really good. The wrap we took off, me and Corey took the wrap off. I was here to assist them a little bit, but the wrap when it came off, man, like the paint is just absolutely like gorgeous. It's, you know, it's so clean. And the car, I think, you know, the wrap was awesome. It was great. I probably would have had it on for another year, but just taking it off and seeing this color again and the lines in the car is really, really nice. We left the hood wrapped black. So yeah, we're saying goodbye to this car today.
It's on camera.
Oh, it is.
Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick cold start video of the car. It is extremely loud, so anyone wearing headphones, turn your volume down. That is loud. I must say, I'm really impressed with the sound of the car for stock. Right off the bat, I mean, it is loud, and I haven't drove the car. I literally drove it, as you can see, from out of the back of the trailer right into the garage. So I haven't drove it yet. I'm really excited to try it. I'd say I got about a month out, and then we can start playing with it a bit. So yeah, looking forward to that. In the meantime, guys, if you have any questions, shoot them my way. I'd love to chat. And if you guys have any recommendations for modifications, I'm not looking to go anything crazy on this car. We're looking at doing drag radials, some 11-inch wide wheels to accommodate 305 drag radials. I'm going to do a drive shaft at some point, hopefully really soon. Possibly an intake as well. I put a little post out there on Instagram earlier about what kind of intake to go with, and everyone's kind of leaning towards the leg maker. Everyone's asking me, am I going to wrap it? Right now, no. Right now, no. I'm definitely going to get some clear on the front there, and Corey Nolan has an idea for the back half of the car here. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys want to ask any questions, comment below, or if you want to touch base on Instagram, and I'll chat with you guys later. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Have a good night.